Hello everyone. So this is my second example of a digital annotation tool. And so this one's called Hypothesis. And so whereas the last service, Edgy, was upload based, this service is more web based. And so instead of just only being able to annotate stuff you upload, this on the other hand lets you annotate web pages. And this brands itself as a service that lets you hold discussions, like it says, read socially, organize your research, take personal notes. Offering essentially these key features. You can annotate and highlight text. You can reply or share any annotations. You can annotate in groups, and you can create a base from which to search through your notes on a particular web page. And an interesting thing about this, so it's a Chrome extension, and this is a little icon right here, this black H with the 72. So once I installed that, and looking at this home page now, Hypothesis themselves have annotated their own web page. So when you click on their web page, you can see some of the annotations they've made and that other people have made. For example, it looks like here's a public comment. That in itself can speak to the kind of potential it can have for organizing an activity. For example, if you were also wanting to do some sort of activities where students identify research methods, for example, so say we go to SUU Library to access the databases, say we're looking for technology and education, we can then host an activity where we have students identify the different components involved in researching. So we could have them identify what kind of sources a particular search yields. So in this case, if we go to our little hypothesis icon, we can click on it, and it'll bring up this little side view right here. And it will show the annotation you made, the highlights, and here we have a new page note. So now that we've activated Hypothesis, we can start highlighting and have options to just highlight or annotate as well. And you can post these comments to public, and then, for example, you can edit it, you can delete them, you can reply to them, and there's also options to share annotations, search within the annotations, as well as the ability to create groups. For example, if you want to create a new private group, there's this option right here. So essentially, that's what Hypothesis is all about. It's pretty user friendly so far, and seems like it could have a lot of great potential teaching and learning applications. So thank you guys for listening again, and wishing you all a good rest of the week.